everyone, you're welcome. This is Kingsley from KingspetDesigns. Today I'm going to be showing you how to design a political poster just like this one. You can see right here on the screen, and you can see this poster is a presidential poster, which you can see we are having 2019 presidential election, and this is actually for Nigeria because I'm recording this particular video from Nigeria, so I'm trying to create a poster for this particular party. Then we have the PDP, this is the PDP party, and the reason behind my choice of color, as you can see, is because of the party. The party colors are mostly green, white and red. That's why I decided to choose this particular colors in my blending so as to make the poster look attractive. Without waste of time, let's just dash into the design right away. You can see we have the necessary things I actually got down here. We are having the big images of the two individuals, that's the president and the vice president, and also we are having this is the party logo I'm having here. Then also I just downloaded this to see is our design. I created this down somewhere. Alright, without waste of time, let's just go straight into the proper design, where I'm going to be showing you everything right from scratch. Okay, let's start right away. Let me just create a new page. Now you can see I'm going to duplicate. That's click on rectangular tool, just double click on it to get this, then come over to this side and click on this. I'm going to do it this way, but this time around I'm going to shift it from this way and take it this way. Then I'm going to give it a light shade from this. Then from here, let me adjust and make it much more, a little bit lighter. Okay, now let me right click on this to do away with the background, that's the hairline. Now from here I can now get my, let's insert this here. Let me see, I'm giving this. Then on this one here, I'm going to make it this, but I'm going to duplicate it but for now I'm going to, okay, I'm doing this way, reduce this side, then duplicate this a little, do away with the hairline. Then on this one too, I'm going to do away with the hairline, but this I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Then the color blending, I'm going to change maybe to this. So I'm just going to click on this. Let me give this color. Then on this one, I'm going to make it, let me say here, and this, drag it a little bit here, and this one let me adjust, just trying to pick it from the original design. You can have it something of this nature. Then now I'm going to start importing the text. That's all the text. Cross and see, I'm going to just, we have it as presidency. We have presidency 2019. Then I'm going to now increase this font size a little. Then from here I'm going to make, from this eye to this side, I'm going to make it green color, and I am going, first of all, so that I will be able to see what I'm doing, I'm going to give this a font. Then okay, let me make this black. I'm going to make this black and make from here to here, let me give it red. Then here let me make it green. Then I'm going to now take it and place it at the top here, adjust it, okay, to be at the center. Then that's that a little. Then let me now come to this down part of it. This down side I'm going to apply a little, let me assume from here I'm going to do it this way up to this extent, then convert. I'm going to pick shape 2, then from here I'm going to convert this to curve. Then right click and convert to curve. By the time I convert to curve, I'm going to adjust this side a little bit here and this side to a little bit downward. Then on this side I'm going to make it, drag it to this end. Then this side I'm going to now click on it, then adjust this, adjust this a little. Now after doing that, I'm going to give this a white color. I'm going to leave the hairline for now. Then I'll now reduce it. I'm going to reduce this and duplicate it. Then what the next thing I'm going to do, pick shape 2 again, then ensure I drag it so that it comes from the center, probably from the center. Okay, I think this is okay. This is how I want it to be, but this time around I'm going to give the other side a red color. Then do away with the hairline. Same thing with the other side, I'm going to do away with the hairline. So I'm going to do away with the hairline. Now this is what I'm having. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to pick the images and start placing them outside. I'll now pick this image. Let me assume, get this and place it somewhere here. Drag, increase the size. Then let me increase the size of this and probably place it here. For now, you're just going to ignore all this side that comes outside this printing page. I'm going to ignore it for now because I'm going to work on this later on. So let's just leave it this way. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do now is to start, take this. Maybe I want to place this here. Maybe position it well. So you can see how. Okay, now after this, now the next step I'm going to take from here now is to, okay, let me bring this here. Let's say this is supposed to be here. Okay, placing this here, you can see gradually my text and everything, the lining, how I managed to place them, they are actually coming out. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to bring in all the other text. I'm going to just type the other text outside a little bit faster. Alright, I quickly have to write all these text and apply all the whole colors outside the tutorials. You can know how to insert all these text. Just pick your text tool and type and select the suitable font. Select the suitable font for you wish to use. For my case, you can see I choose several fonts. So now it's just now left for me to place them where I actually want each and every one of these text to go into. Now the next thing I'm going to pick this and place it somewhere here. I'm going to come and adjust it. Then let's say this. Now I'm bringing it here. I'm going to bring this here, but I'm going to give it a white color so that it comes out. Then same thing with this Peter or B. I'm going to place it, let me say, somewhere here, and also give it a white color so it comes out. Then this part of it, you can see I'm going to bring it down here. Don't forget I did all the whole text outside a little bit so that I won't waste time on the tutorials. So I have to do all the whole text outside this video. So ensure it's at the center. Then I'm going to drag this a little to the center. You can decide to so adjust this and so So now this, now I can now bring it like I did here, and I place it somewhere here, and now I adjust it this way. Now is the next thing I'm going to do. I'm going to copy this and duplicate it, then increase the size a little and apply transparency tool to it. I'm going to give it different general transparency and drag it. Let me say to something like 85, let me say 86% transparency. Then now I'm going to now bring it here, then send it back. Order, I'm going to send it back. Then this also, I'm going to click on it, order, and send it back. So now you can now see, now increase this part a little, select the whole image, ensure it's at the center. Then let me reduce this a little. I'm going to reduce this a little. Then you can now see we've succeeded in creating the whole text out and the whole linings and everything, how everything goes. This is a simple way or easy. You can choose your own different way of doing this. For let me, I'll bring this up so that, okay, then work on this. Let me adjust this a little bit up. So you can see how I've been able to do all this. Now adjust this, both of them. Let's drag them a little bit upward. Now let me see how this goes. Okay, I'm going to adjust this a little bit upward also. See this side, a bit upward. Now you can see I've been able to come up with all this. Select all of them. Now I'm going to hold shift key, then select on this background. That's the initial first background we created. Click on it, then group it together. I'm going to drag this out. You can now see I'm left with only the background. So I'll undo it, Ctrl Z to undo. Now the next thing I'm going to do, right click on it and power clip inside, then select the background. You can see it goes inside the background. You can see everything now. That those is part that way out. I'm actually gone inside the image. Now just going to click do away with all these guidelines. Then now you can see how I've been able to succeed in creating this particular design right from scratch. In case you like this video, give it a like, give it a thumbs, and if you have any question or any place you are finding it difficult to design or any video you want me to work on, drop it in the comment box below. And I want to urge every one of us, those of us in Nigeria who are voting, who will be voting in this forthcoming election, I want you to vote wisely. You know the right party to choose. For me, I'll say go for this party, PDP. Atiku, vote Atiku, Abubakar and Obi, Peter Obi for our next president. That's my own choice, and I urge each and every one of us to also do the right thing. Until next time, thanks for watching this video.